in the east, we welcome you to a different beat. Indulge in elegance and power in the city, or retreat to a hideaway with the ocean breeze. At Crown Regency, we'll take you higher. Our hotels and resorts are like no other, an experience you'll certainly treasure as you discover the best of life and pleasures. At Crown Regency, it's time to go beyond the ordinary. At Crown Regency, you'll get unparalleled hospitality. We will leave no guest unsatisfied, making sure every need is gratified, where you can truly say that you've arrived when you're at Crown Regency. At Crown Regency, as you enjoy your perfect experience, you'll find every modern convenience. We will exceed expectations on the grandest scale, impeccable service to the last detail. Crown Regency is your destination, from business deals to warm vacations, beauty and ambience that's so close to paradise. Our personal touch brings it all to life. At Crown Regency, it's time to go beyond the ordinary. At Crown Regency, you'll get unparalleled hospitality. We will leave no guest unsatisfied, making sure every need is gratified, where you can truly say that you've arrived when you're at Crown Regency. Crown Regency. Every room is a sight to behold, the warmth of our staff a delight to unfold. The right place to be is Crown Regency. At Crown Regency, it's time to go beyond the ordinary. At Crown Regency, you'll get unparalleled hospitality. We will leave no guest unsatisfied, making sure every need is gratified, where you can truly say that you've arrived when you're at Crown Regency. Crown Regency. As sure as the moon decides to take its place, create a perfect night of style and grace. More than a visit, you'll truly remember. It's the place you wish to stay